உலக தமிழர்களுக்கு வணக்கம். இன்னைக்கு உத்தரட்ல கே பரேட் நடக்குது. பாருங்க, மக்கள் பயங்கரமா என்ஜாய் பண்றாங்க. அதாவது ஆண் பெண் எந்த வேறுபாடும் இல்லாம இன்னைக்கு பயங்கரமான ஒரு ஃபெஸ்டிவல், சூப்பரான ஃபெஸ்டிவல் கே பரேடு நெதர்லாந்துல ரொம்ப அட்டகாசமா சூப்பரா நடக்கும். என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க.
It's a super nice party.
Very nice gay parade in Utrecht right now. A lot of people, so many different people. Nice weather, good vibes. So I'm loving it, man.
I'm from India, and you're
From Netherlands.
But yeah, we're in Utrecht for the Pride, and I'm loving it. It's such a wonderful open space. I'm having a great time.
It's a nice parade. It's a pride month, and we didn't see it in India, so this is very nice. We are enjoying it.
I'm in Utrecht for this Pride Festival. This is my first time and I'm really enjoying it. As you can see, there are a lot of colors and music to party.
Every time you touch me, I swear that I see the future in everything you do. Kinda like it came right out of the clouds, like a storm full of clouds.
Alright, so hi guys, this is my first Pride Festival in this beautiful country, Netherlands. And the best part is that my family has recently come to visit me. He's my grandpa and that's my younger sister. She's busy in taking photographs, but then I must say that this is the best country I've lived in, like so much liberty, and I'm very proud to be celebrating the Pride month in this country. You should visit it. Thank you.
So we are at the Pride Parade in Utrecht, and this is the first time that we are attending here, and it's the first time it's happening here. I've seen it few in India, but this is first time here, so loving it.
Give me something that I could lose.
We zijn in Utrecht bij de Canal Pride. Super tof.
Pride is voor iedereen! Utrecht 2022!
I need is give me something that I could lose. Baby, all I need is give me something that I could lose.
I'm an international student here. I'm super happy to be here, and it just feels nice to like represent my culture and come out for the Indian queers. So yeah, super happy to be here.
Wrapped up in